And I just was like, I feel like that idea is so genius. I was like, what if I made a hoodie dress? Sewed the insulated fabric, and I don't know how I feel about it because I don't have much like give. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. In today's Sewmas video, I'm making a hoodie dress. I felt like this would be such a fun thing to lounge around in, but also to be something that's really quick and easy to throw on if you have to like run out to the store or something. And so that's why I decided to make it. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. Okay, for this Sewmas video, I'm going to be making a hoodie dress. So when brainstorming for Sewmas, I was thinking about like what are things that I would think would be like a cute gift, but also things I'd like myself. And sometimes when I have to like run out to the store for something, I hate having to pick out something to wear, especially pants, because I'm like, I don't want to wear pants for like a relatively quick grocery run, but now I feel like I need to put them in the dirty clothes. So I was like, what if I made a hoodie dress? So I have an idea. So I'm gonna do like the outer part and then a lining, but I'm also thinking about doing the insulated fabric that I used in the lunchbox for the lining, not like the full, like two parts of the lining, because when I went to Michael's to buy some insulated fabric, the one that I'm going to use is from Joann's. The lady who cut my fabric for me, so the person who cuts the fabric was closed, and I was like, I really want to get this fabric. I'm a little frustrated. Joann's is closed, and I asked this person working there, and she's like, yeah, I can cut it for you. And so she was amazing, and she had told me that one time she used the insulated fabric to put in a jacket for her mom to keep it warm, and I just was like, I feel like that idea is so genius. So I think I'm going to try to do that for the hoodie dress. So it'll have two lining layers that'll be connected together, so it could be something that you could wear when it is cold, but then you could also take it out for if it's warmer. So yeah, I am going to construct the pattern and I will go from there. Okay, I have all the pieces cut out. So for the fabric, I'm using the same fabric that I did for the GPT. I always say B instead of P. Jumpsuit, which it's funny because I feel like I have different opinions now than I do or did when I made that video, but that'd be like a different conversation. I just have like I'm like weary of Gen AI, and I try not to use it much. But yeah, that's the fabric I'm using for the jumpsuit, and then I'm gonna use for the lining the puffer jacket fabric that I used earlier this year. And then for the like reflective heat lining, for one, I don't know why, but like maybe I cut something else first, but the bodice for one is a little shorter, so I'm gonna have to patchwork them all together because I couldn't do like the full pattern piece, so I did them like all in half. But for that one, I'm gonna have to add some to the bottom before I attach it to the other side. So I'm going to get ready and do that, and then connect those and sew like the base of the dress in like the gray fabric, and then also sew the base in, I guess just in sew the base in all of them, see how it feels, and then keep going from there. Okay, I sewed the lining and some of the outside pieces, but I didn't do like the main bodice or dress for the like outer fabric yet because I'm gonna add pockets, and I wanted to make sure that I liked how this was before I did that. And I think I do. I like how like far the shoulder seam comes down, but then also the armhole is like there's enough length so it's not just like right up against your arm. But what I did, and I also like the fit and the length, but I am going to cut some because I want to add that like cuff that you add, or that's like on dresses, or not on dresses, on like sweatshirts and stuff. Like how like most sweatshirts have like that little cuff on like the bottom and the sleeve. Mine won't be the same because it's like usually like a different like ribbed fabric, and I'm just gonna use the same fabric. But I want to, because I like the length as is, I'm gonna shorten it so when I add that it'll be this length. I also added a pin for where I'll put the pocket because I just wanted to make sure that it would like sit comfortably. So I'm going to get ready and shorten this and use this then to shorten the other pieces, and then mark the pocket on the actual thing using this pin. Okay, so I filmed, or I sewed the insulated fabric, and I don't know how I feel about it because I don't have much like give. Like I got it on, obviously, but it doesn't have much give. And while I do feel like it's warm, like I feel like I am like a little toasty right now, I just don't know if it'd be comfortable. And like I know I was gonna make it so that the lining, like this could detach. Also, I feel like it's kind of loud. And like I don't know, I'm like, would I want to wear this out and feel like I'm just like making so much noise in general? So I don't know, like I think I can feel the heat being like directed back towards my body right now, and I like that, but I just don't know if I would like this in a hoodie. So I'm not for sure if I'm going to go with this as part of the lining. Okay, I sewed the hood together and I did a buttonhole and then I did a top stitch and I made a channel for a string to go through. So now I have the hood attached to the neck. Fortunately, it does not go all the way around. I guess the neck is a little bigger than I thought because I thought I made it the hood like wide enough. So I think what I'm gonna do is sew the hood right sides together and then after I'll probably serge and then I'll sew that serge seam down so I can sew down this other piece of the neck. So I'm gonna get ready and do that, and then afterwards, I will finish the bottom and the sleeve with just a little cuff. Also, originally I was gonna make the cuff smaller than like the sleeve opening and the bottom opening, but the sleeve is pretty thin or like skinny at the wrist, so I don't think I need to do that. And then for the dress, I don't know if I really want it to come in more because I kind of like the width at the bottom, so I think it's just gonna be a cuff that's the same size. Also, I don't think I'm going to do the center pocket that like hoodies usually have. I don't know. I feel like I like this more without it, and because I did side pockets, and I know that I'd probably use those side pockets more than I would use the center pocket, I think I might just leave it with that. Thanks for watching. I really hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. I really like how this turned out and I can't wait to like wear it around and wear it out to the store. I also love that I added the lining, so if I do want to wear it when it's colder, I will be warm. So if you made it this far, comment down below if you're more of a hoodie, jacket, or sweatshirt type of person. And stay tuned for the rest of Sewmas. Until next time, bye guys.